take a second to say thank you, first to all my board members and to all the members of the association, all the affiliates. I couldn't do what I do here without you. Thank you all for your support and your help. You're wonderful, and I love you. To bring up Lori Cameron, because she is everything to me, and she helps me so much, and I would not be able to do this job without her. I just wanted to thank her for a wonderful first year and for the wonderful support she's given to everyone, to all of you.
And your president, 2018, David Gordo! Karen, pass the gavel this way, honey. And Karen, and Bill, and Lee, and Sandy, and Lisa, and Kristen, and Sandy, all the way to me. Thank you. I am very excited to do this deal. I'm very excited about it. Thank you. You did a great job with us this past year, and we'd like to present you this award. Thank you very much. All right, I know she wants pictures. Where's she at? We'll have to move over there. Yeah. And the thing I've learned about being in this industry, when the tough gets going, the realtors will step up and help. We love our job, we love helping people, we love making deals, we love putting people in houses, and I look forward to helping each and every one of you that I can help with the things that I've been through in my life. Thank you very much.